how are you? I'm Minty. Welcome back to my channel. Before, I have shared 凉拌黄瓜, 芹菜炒猪肉. Today, I'm gonna share another simple and easy Chinese food. Onion stir-fried egg. In Chinese, we call it 洋葱炒鸡蛋. Here, 洋葱, it means onion. Egg is 鸡蛋 in Chinese. By the way, do you still remember what is green onion? Before I have said? It's Tong. Yes, you are right. You can see I have prepared 3 eggs and 1 onion today. So, 洋葱, 鸡蛋, they are today's ingredients. Now, let me show you how to cook it. First, I'm gonna crack these 3 eggs into a bowl. I need to wash my hand. Then I'm gonna add a small teaspoon of salt. Use these chopsticks to mix the egg white and yolk together. Okay, so leave the eggs here. Now let's processing onions. First, we need to cut the ends of these 2 parts. And peel the skin. So I need to wash it. Do you still remember wash? 洗. What's this? 洋葱. Okay, I gonna 洗洋葱. I have washed 洋葱. Now I gonna cut it into half. Then slice it. Like this thing. Now, all the ingredients are ready. But it's so strange today. Do you know why? Before, when I cut onion, it always make me cry. But today, I'm not crying. Okay, now let's go to the fire. Let's stir fry them. And on the fire, I'm gonna use the big fire to heat the pan. Oh, now the pan is hot. I need to pour some cooking oil. Cooking oil, in Chinese, we call it 食用油. 食用油. Later, I'm gonna explain these words. Then, we need to turn the fire to the medium. At the same time, pour this egg. If you found the surface almost dry, so use a spoon. Do like what I do. See the eggs like these pieces. Then I'm gonna put out the eggs. Turn off the fire. Put these eggs out. Still, big fire hits the pan. I'm gonna cook onion. Pour some cooking oil, 食用油. put these sliced onions in. Keep stirring until the onion becomes soft. Now you can see the sliced onions already become very soft. Then I'm going to add a pinch of salt and black pepper. By the way, salt, before I have shared, in Chinese is yan. Black pepper is a new word today. We call that 黑胡椒. I also gonna explain this word later. Last step, I gonna put this egg in. Then mix stir fry. After 20 seconds, we're gonna finish our dish. We have done. So this is my 洋葱炒鸡蛋. Now I'm gonna decorate that with celery and black sesame seed. Now it's Chinese time. What's the ingredients today? It's 洋葱, onion, 洋葱, 鸡蛋, egg, 鸡蛋. Actually, 鸡, it means chicken. 鸡蛋. What do I use for cook? I use cooking oil, black pepper, and salt. I'm gonna start from the easy one, salt, 盐, black pepper, 黑胡椒. Here, black is 黑 pepper, 胡椒 black pepper, 黑胡椒. Cooking oil, 食用油. 食 it means can be used to eat. 用 use. 油 oil. One oil can be used to eat. What's that? Cooking oil. 食用油. Now we have two phrases to share. The first one is, do you eat? Second one is, do you like to eat? You can see we have a same verb inside is eat. 吃. Actually, before I have shared delicious. 好吃. 好 is good. 吃 is eat. Good to eat. It means delicious. Today, we're only going to use eat to make the sentence. Do you like to eat 洋葱炒鸡蛋? 你喜欢吃洋葱炒鸡蛋吗? Do you still remember 喜欢? I have shared in the first video. Like. 你喜欢吃洋葱炒鸡蛋吗? Second sentence, we use the only eat, the easy one. Do you eat 洋葱炒鸡蛋? 你吃洋葱炒鸡蛋吗? 你吃洋葱炒鸡蛋吗? Okay, I have done today's video. This is all the things that I want to share today. I wish you have a nice day. Okay, bye. I'm gonna see you next time.